All right. I think what you said about hiring and striking while the iron is hot is actually really smart. That was what I wanted to talk about anyways. I want to talk about hiring and growing when the phone is ringing. Because today I woke up thinking about our carpet cleaning business. And I was thinking about all of the summers where we would get booked out 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and customers would call and they go, okay, if I can't get on the schedule, that's fine. I'll just call somebody else. And I would go, okay, that's fine. I'm busy anyways. What an idiot I was. How stupid was I to not just add another van, hire another person, and fill out the schedule more? I think I was scared at the time because I had all the same fears in the back of my mind that a lot of people have. That if I hire somebody right now, just because I'm busy in August and September, that I'm going to end up having to lay them off in January. Or that I'm going to have to take a pay cut because I feel bad and I'm going to have to pay this person and I'm going to be the one who loses out. I wish I had never let those fears govern my behavior. If I could go back and change one thing about the business, every single summer when things got hot, when we were booking out more than 2 or 3 weeks, I would have instantly put another van into action. I would have instantly used our hiring methods to get another person in there, and I would have taken full advantage of it.
The only thing I would counter that with, and this was my experience my first time in the carpet cleaning business, is I was all push, but I wasn't in a position where I could afford to not take money off the table. At some point when you're pushing that hard, if you don't stop pushing, you can't take money off the table. If you don't stop and do the same thing long enough, over and over again, repeat it, you never get to profitability.
The way in which I would have pushed probably looks different than how it sounds. I would not have just hired and put people in vans and watched my margins go to 5%. I would have handled it the way I handled things when I was shorthanded. Sometimes you just got to get in the van. You out in the field, you're the owner, and sometimes you just have to get back in the van and go out in the field. When I was really busy, that's how I should have handled the initial overflow. I should have put my crew out on the road doing all of our residential jobs. I should have gone and done all of the vacancies in another van myself. I should have filled up a schedule for myself until I was so busy that I had to have a helper. And then I should have hired a lead to go with him. And then I could exit the van again. I think a lot of people, and I've actually seen this happen, will hire those first 1 or 2 employees. And then they're like, I did it. I hired. Now I'm too good to be in the van. But that can actually come back to bite you, especially margins wise.
Yep.
When you're still under $500,000 a year, there's not money to go around for a whole bunch of employees. You've really got to still be in the mix as the owner in order to carve out really good margins. So as you're scaling up, like use your own labor if you need to. I wouldn't scale up just for the sake of hitting bigger numbers if I wasn't profitable too, but I would use my labor and the labor of others to help make the business profitable.